When you're done making your smoothie, then of course you have to wash everything up. Like I said, you want to make sure you take that base off of the pitcher before you put it down in the hot soapy water. You make sure that you get everything washed and dried completely, including the base. You may need to take a washcloth and wash off the outside and work at getting anything that has dripped down inside where the motor is actually moving, and then dry that off. Now, when you go to put this away, you can loosely put the bottom on the pitcher, but not tighten down, because anytime you're dealing with plastic, a lot of times a little bit of food residue does remain, even though you did a good job of washing your dishes. If there's any moisture with that food residue and you store it away and it's tightened down, you are going to grow mold or mildew. So we leave this attached really loose so that air can still get through that, and I don't put the lid on there again to make sure that there's good air circulation and you don't grow anything in it.